Hello students, today we are going to learn about profit and loss. Okay, so let me tell you first what is profit and what is loss. Before we learn about profit and loss, we need to first understand what is cost price and what is selling price. What is cost price and what is selling price? So cost price is actually the cost in which we purchase anything. So whatever cost that we purchase anything, that is cost price, and when we sell it, then whatever cost we get it, that is selling price. Whatever price we get it, that is selling price. So it is cost price is we'll consider CP and selling price it is SP. Okay, now when there will be profit and when there will be loss. So let me tell you with one example. If I purchase anything for rupees 10 but I sold it for rupees 12, it means I got 2 rupees profit. So when there will be profit, if there is SP is greater than CP. So profit will be SP minus CP. So we got first formula, that is for profit, that is SP minus CP. Second is when there will be loss. So loss, if I purchase anything for rupees 10 but I sold it for rupees 8, it means I got 2 rupees loss. So when there will be loss, if loss will be CP minus SP, here CP will be greater. CP will be greater, means the cost price will be greater and selling price will be lesser, then there will be loss. And if selling price is greater and cost price is smaller, then there will be profit. Then we'll come to the next, which is profit percent. Profit percent. So what is profit percent? The profit percent is like, suppose the same example, I purchased anything for rupees 10 and I sold it for rupees 12. It means I got rupees 2 profit. So rupees 2 is what percent of rupees 10? So that percent I want to find. So I have a formula. The profit percent will be profit upon CP into 100 into 100. So we have one more formula to find the percentage of what I got the profit, that the profit upon CP into 100. Similarly, if I want to find loss percent, then it will be loss upon CP into 100. Loss upon CP into 100. You can see here the denominator is CP and CP itself. So why is it? It's because when we sold anything or when we sold anything, then we got profit or loss. But that will be calculated on the basis of CP itself, because the profit percent will be profit upon CP into 100 and loss percent will be loss upon CP into 100. So we have two more formulas, which is profit percent and loss percent. Next, let me tell you another thing. If I know SP and I know the profit percent or loss percent and I want to find CP. Inverse, if I know CP and profit percent or CP and loss percent and I want to find SP in both the cases. So how should I find that SP or CP? So we have the formulas. The first, here I will find out SP if I know two things, CP and profit percent. The formula will be 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. So this will be the formula to find out SP if I know CP and profit percent. So formula will be 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Another, if suppose I know loss, so the formula will be 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. So we have one more formula. If I know the CP and loss percent, then 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. Now next, inversely, if I want to find CP, so and I know SP and profit percent, so very simple, 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP. And similarly, if I want to find CP and I know loss percent and SP, then the formula will be 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. So we have one more, that is CP equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. So we have four formulas for if I know CP and profit percent, or else if I know CP and loss percent, how should I find SP? Or else if I know profit percent and SP or loss percent and SP, then how should I find CP? So we have four formulas. First one is SP equals to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP, or SP equals to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. And in case of CP equals to 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP, or 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. Let me tell you how to learn these formulas. Like you have the burden of like 8 formulas, 2, 3, 4 and these 4, 8. So it's very simple. These 4 you know very well. That profit equals to SP minus CP, loss equals to CP minus SP, profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100, loss percent equals to loss upon CP into 100. But here I will tell you how to keep in mind in shortcut, what is the logic behind it, so we can keep the formula in mind. So it's very simple. Look at, if I want to find SP, then there is into CP. Here, if it is, I want to find SP, then 100 plus profit percent or 100 minus loss percent, it's in numerator. But if I want to find CP, then we have to multiply by SP here, and 100 plus profit percent and 100 minus loss percent, it's in denominator. तो जब हमें SP निकालना होता है तो 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट और 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट ये न्यूमरेटर में होता है, लेकिन जब हमें CP निकालना होता है तो 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट और 100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट ये डिनोमिनेटर में होता है, और जब SP निकालना है तो हमें CP से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और CP निकालना है तो हमें SP से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इट मींस वी हैव लर्न हियर अबाउट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड फ्यू स्पेशल formulas which you can see on the board. Thank you so much everyone.